Good evening. Today we will be unboxing a package that we got from Lazada. It's a Decibel technology headphones. Let's do this. So we're taking out the packaging from Lazada. Okay. So this is it. Decibel technology headphones. It's the Jackhammer DT-100 black Bluetooth headphones. So let's open it. Okay. We'll take this box here and we'll open it. And inside you'll find the introduction on how to use the headphones. Okay, let's take this away. You'll also find this micro USB to headphone jack and the USB charging cable. That's it. And then we have the headphones. Yeah, these are the Decibel headphones. So this is it. So we have the Decibel logo there and the controls. So that's our unboxing on the Decibel headphones. So we will have to try it and see if it sounds great.